Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how Python list of dictionaries by loops. To create a list of dictionaries in Python using loops, you can follow these steps. Initialize an empty list to store the dictionaries. Use a loop to iterate over a sequence of data that you want to convert to dictionaries. Create a dictionary for each item in the sequence using the appropriate keys and values. Append the dictionary to the list. Here's an example that demonstrates how to create a list of dictionaries using a loop. Now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get. In this example, we have two lists, names and ages, that we want to convert to a list of dictionaries. We use a for loop to iterate over the indices of the list and create a dictionary for each item by specifying the appropriate keys and values. Finally, we append each dictionary to the people list, which gives us a list of dictionaries. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you are facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.